Peru, the third largest country in South America after Brazil and Argentina. It is made up of a variety of landscapes, from mountains and beaches to deserts and rainforests. Most people live along the coast of the Pacific Ocean, where the capital Lima is located. The total population of Peru is 31,331,000, and the total area of Peru is 496,224 square miles. Along Peru's west coast is a narrow strip of desert, 1,555 miles long. Ancient people called the Chimu and Nazca first inhabited these regions thousands of years ago. The coastal desert makes up only about 10% of Peru, but is home to more than half of all Peruvians. The world's largest rainforest, the Amazon, covers nearly half of Peru. Called the selva in Spanish, this huge jungle, which also covers half of Brazil, is home to plants and animals that do not live anywhere else on Earth. Some scientists think that there may be even Indian tribes living there that have never seen the outside world. Because it has so many different ecosystems, Peru is home to a wider variety of plants and animals than most other countries on Earth. For many reasons, Peruvians have not had as much as an impact on their natural world as many other countries, and much of these ecosystems have been undisturbed. A 250 acres plot of Peruvian rainforest is home to more than 6,000 kinds of plants. There are thousands of species that are only found in the Amazon. To protect these plants and animals, Peru has created special forest areas called reserves. On the Pacific coast, many interesting plants and animal species have adapted to the dry desert climate. And off the coast, the Peru current nourishes huge numbers of small fishes, which in turn support large population of bigger fishes and seabirds, including the Humboldt penguins. Peru's mountains support special type of grasses and plants, which provide food for mammals like llamas, alpacas, and vicuñas. One plant that grows in the Andes, the Puya rayamondi, grows for 100 years before blooming. Apart of all this, the second highest mountain range in the world runs through Peru. These peaks, called the Andes, are so tall and forbidden that the ancient Inca people thought that they were gods. They run from north to south and can be seen from Peru's beaches 50 miles or 80 kilometers away to the west. The highest peak, Mount Huascaran, is 22,205 feet high. The highest sand dune in the world, Cerro Blanco, can be found in Peru. It is located in the city Pura Desert and stands 3,860 feet from base to summit. Also, the deepest canyon in the world, Cotahuasi Canyon, is found in Peru at 11,004 feet deep. It's almost twice as deep as the Grand Canyon. The people of Peru are also a mix of many different cultures, including Indians and other Europeans, and even descendants of African slaves and Asians. Until recently, most people lived in the countryside, but now 70% live in the cities. Most Peruvians follow the Catholic religion introduced by the Spanish. All of this makes Peru an amazing and fascinating place for the people that travel there.